All right, so where have I been? Look, I'm gonna keep it real with you guys, okay? I haven't uploaded in a couple of months because I felt like I was in a hole. Like, my energy was being taken away from me and it was so difficult for me to recharge. I knew that I needed a drastic change. So I decided to completely change my environment. I grabbed all my stuff, I drove across the country and just got this little studio here in downtown Miami. This is not my dream location. I'm more of like being in the woods, isolated. But I know there's a lot of opportunities and a lot of people to work with here. I also decided to change my name to X because I'm in a new city. Nobody knows me. So you can call me X now. It's 2023 and some of my goals are to start playing shows, release an official EP, and in 2024, I will tour the world. So this year is all about doing whatever it takes to make that happen. Failure is not an option. That means that there's something I must quit in order to progress. What is that something? What? You're gonna quit? You're a quitter? What? No. But as much as I love smoking weed and being in those higher states of consciousness, I've realized that I progress a lot faster when I'm not in another realm. So I'm quitting cannabis for the next 100 days. This is the longest break I've taken in years. And at the same time, I'm gonna be live streaming every single day. We're gonna be making records from scratch, bringing on special guests, reacting to your music, and most importantly, have a great fucking time. But if you have any other fire ideas for the live stream, leave them down in the comments. I'm gonna be reading all of them. Not only am I focusing on the channel and my music, but I'm also putting a lot of energy towards Threat Collective. We're gonna bring you a lot of fresh sounds a lot more consistently this year. I realized that a lot of you look to me for direction and advice, so I'm really looking forward to these challenges so that I can show you that anything is possible as long as you work on it very hard every single day. I have absolutely zero guarantees that any of these goals will become a reality, but I'm not gonna stop. I'm gonna try my absolute hardest to make this happen. So without further ado, let this journey begin.